You pay taxes, you think they're funding roads, schools and freedom. That's cute. Let me show you how the government actually funds itself and why your tax bill is nothing but theater. We all heard it. You pay taxes to support your country. It's your duty as a citizen. Pay your fair share. But here's the problem. The government doesn't run on your money. It runs on debt and illusion. That's not a conspiracy, that's literally the design. Let's break it down how it actually works. Number one, the government spends money it doesn't have. Before it even collects your taxes, the government already spent more than it earns. It runs a deficit constantly. Number two, how does it fill the gap? It issues treasury bonds, basically IOUs. But who buys those IOUs? Mostly the Federal Reserve. And how does the Fed buy them? It prints money. Yes, literally, digitally creates dollars and trades them for treasury bonds. Number three, but what backs that money? The bonds themselves. So the government is printing money to buy its own debt, backing that debt with more debt and telling you your taxes are essential. That's like taking out a credit card to pay off a loan, then using the loan to pay off the credit card. So why do you still pay taxes? Two reasons, and neither are noble. Reason number one, to control inflation. When you tax people, you take money out of the economy. That helps reduce inflation, which the Fed created by printing money in the first place. You're literally paying to clean up their mess. Reason number two, to maintain the illusion. People need to believe they're funding the government. If everyone realized it's actually funded by money printers and IOUs, trust would evaporate. And once trust dies, so does the dollar. Your taxes are a mask to make fake money feel real. As debt rises, the Fed prints more. As the Fed prints more, inflation increases. As inflation rises, you get poorer. And your taxes, they're not fixing this. They're just keeping the illusion alive a little longer. Here's the bitter wisdom. You're not paying to fund the government. You're paying to uphold a broken system that would collapse if people stop believing in it. It's fiat currency built on a stack of IOUs, paper backed by paper, and eventually the tower of lies will fall. That's it for today's Tough Finance, where we roast the economy with napalm and show you what's really going on behind the numbers. If you like getting financially slapped with truth, subscribe, stay cynical, stay solvent, and remember, in a finance apocalypse, knowledge isn't power, it's a survival.